All right, moving on. In a laboratory filled with incubators and artificial shells, scientists may have just crossed a frontier once confined to science fiction. For the first time, researchers have successfully hatched live chicks from fully artificial eggs. The breakthrough is now fueling conversations about the future of endangered species and even the possibility of bringing extinct birds back to life. Our next report gets you all the details.
Science fiction has crossed the threshold into absolute reality inside a high-tech laboratory. Biologists have achieved the impossible by successfully hatching live, healthy animals from completely synthetic eggs. This monumental milestone effectively opens the door to bringing long-lost extinct species back from the dead.
The egg works by re-engineering what nature did so well in its design to create a system under which the developing embryo can get all of the nutrients, gas exchange that it needs to develop, while also being re-engineered for science so that we can observe all the steps of development and also intervene with editing if we ever need to.
According to Colossal Biosciences, 26 baby chickens ranging from a few days to several months old were born from a 3D printed lattice structure that mimics an eggshell. For scientists, this was more than a laboratory experiment. It was proof that avian development may one day be possible outside natural eggs entirely. Researchers believe the technology could eventually support conservation programs for critically endangered bird species whose populations are collapsing in the wild. Artificial eggs may also help scientists study fragile embryos without disturbing natural nests.
It might be interesting from a kind of general kind of scientific research perspective, but as I said, you know, these methods have been a long time coming, and I do think that we probably best focusing our funds on trying to preserve species that we already know that we need to protect now.
Scientists stress that such goals remain highly experimental and filled with technical and ethical challenges. No extinct bird is being brought back today. Still, the symbolism is powerful. For modern science, it may mark the beginning of an entirely new chapter in biological engineering.